Lesson 6, Real World. Lesson 7, Review. It's a whale. It's a whale. It's a fish. It's a fish. It's a seahorse. It's a seahorse. It's a ray. It's a ray. It's an octopus. It's an octopus. It's a turtle. It's a turtle. Blue and white. Blue and white. Orange and white. Orange and white. Orange and yellow. Orange and yellow. Blue and white. Blue and white. Pink. Pink. Green. Green. Let's practice. The whale is blue and white. The whale is blue and white. The fish is orange and white. The fish is orange and white. The seahorse is orange and yellow. The seahorse is orange and yellow. The ray is blue and white. The ray is blue and white. The octopus is pink. The octopus is pink. The turtle is green. The turtle is green. Let's learn more. Crab, crab. Dolphin, dolphin. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Starfish, starfish. Shark, shark. Red, red. Blue and white, blue and white. Pink, pink. Orange, orange. Gray and white, gray and white. Let's practice. The crab is red. The crab is red. The dolphin is blue and white. The dolphin is blue and white. The jellyfish is pink. The jellyfish is pink. The starfish is orange. The starfish is orange. The shark is gray and white. The shark is gray and white.